If you want to win in your life, so you need to learn one thing. You need to start losing to win. What does it mean? It means that whenever you want to become a winner, you need to become a loser to win. But don't give up. Again, I'm telling you, suppose if you want to go for any competition, so go for that competition where people are better than you. What would happen? In beginning you will lose, but you will learn lots of things. Then the moment you compete with your fellows who are very similar to you, you will become the winner in that situation. Let me give you an example. What happens most of the times when I get my students mock interview, they get afraid to join. Out of 100, 10 members join, 90 members do not join. And 10 members who join, they really become winner. In beginning, what happens? I ask them lots of questions. They get stuck, they get stranded. I keep asking them. In this way, what happens? Sometimes they feel insulted, they feel emotionally pain. But this this pain is not for insulting them. This pain is for making them stoic, making them robust. And the moment they become robust, so what happens? Those fellows who 90% fellows who do not attempt, next time they go for the real interview. So these 10% fellows who already have gone through this problem, they will not get stuck over there and they will become winner. Why? Because they have already lost to win. So when people go for any kind of competition, go for that competition where people are better than you. Two situations happen. First, you feel insulted. Second, you feel the emotional pain. If you grin and bear, so what will happen? In future you will rise and shine. People say, if you grin and bear in beginning, believe in me, you are gonna rise and shine in your life. Only you have to take one thing in your life. Whenever you want to become a winner, start losing to win. This thing, why I'm telling you, because lots of times I have gone through these situations. These situations really have made me feel insulted, and I have felt lots of times. Whenever I used to go for these speeches, people also used to be better than me. They used to speak, I would keep looking at their faces. They would not let me speak even a single word in English, and they would leave the place. After that my chance would come. So what used to happen, when I would go for any seminar, whenever people would invite me as a guest, so before me lots of people were there. They would speak, after that my chance would come. And when I would start speaking, people would start preventing, people would start just booing me, but I never used to stop myself. Now situation is something different. Whenever I go, I get the first chance, because I did not refuse them that I would not come over there. I always said yes. This situation made me stronger. I have got lots of better experiences where I have felt lots of times insulted, but it does not make any difference, because these things always make you sturdy and robust. So in your life, if you really want to become a winner, start losing to win. In this situation, in future, when you go for any kind of competition, there you will become winner, because similar to your age people will also be there. So thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.